Hello everybody. Today we're making Daal Paratha and Daal Puri, both with the same dough and the same stuffing. If you want to know more, please stay tuned. For making it, I'm taking 2 cups of maida or plain flour. To this, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and mixing the dry ingredients through. Here I have 1.5 tablespoons of suji, which I had soaked in warm water for 30 minutes. I'm adding this to the flour and mixing it through. At this stage, I'm adding some oil. You can use any neutral oil of your choice. See, the dough has become a little crumbly. Now we add water and knead the dough. Here I am kneading the dough so that the gluten is released. Now we cover the dough and set it aside for at least 30 minutes. Onto the stuffing now. Here I have some coriander, an onion, 7 to 8 garlic cloves, 3 chilies, and a small ginger. We'll start off by chopping the onions very finely. Then onto the green chilies, which needs to be fine as well. For the coriander, I'll show you a small tip. Take the stems of all your coriander strands, bunch them together like so. Make sure they align properly. Now we cut in the center like so and start chopping very finely. This is very satisfying, trust me. Now we add the garlic and the ginger in a mortar and pestle, and we add half a teaspoon of salt. This will help in pounding the garlic and ginger properly. And our paste is ready. So all our seasonings are ready. Now to the star ingredient, our dal. So I have washed 2 cups of masoor dal and kept aside. Let's make the stuffing now. Add a karhai. Add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. You can add whatever oil you like. To the oil, we add 1 teaspoon of jeera, half a tablespoon of nigella seeds or kalonji, sauf or fennel, and half a tablespoon of hing. To this, we immediately add onions. Let me remind you, the heat is on high at this stage. We are just going to saute the onions for a few minutes. Now we add our ginger garlic paste and saute them a little further. At this stage, we add the dal. Now we add some haldi, jeera or cumin powder, salt to taste, and some water. Mix them through. Now we'll boil the dal till the dal is completely cooked and it becomes a little mushy. Here is our cooked dal. I've added some coriander and I've let it cool for some time. Now taking the dough and we'll be sectioning it. So here we are taking a small dough and a little larger dough. So the small one would be for the puri and the larger one would be for the paratha. Let's start with the puri first. Here I am trying to make a cavity in between the dough so that we can stuff the dal properly. And also I am slimming the sides a little so that we can tuck the dough properly later. Here I am taking some dal mixture, shaping them in balls and putting in between the dough. Now pulling the sides and closing the ends. Now we start patting the dough with our hands. We dust some flour on the rolling pin and gently press the dough with our hands first. So that the mixture is evenly spread inside the paratha. Now we start rolling. Since it's a puri, we are going for a little smaller shape. And our puri rolling is done. Onto the paratha now. Making a similar cavity here like for the puri. Just that we are slimming the sides a little further more, because for the paratha stuffing would be a little more than that of puri. Taking the dal mixture, and here see I'm pressing the mixture alongside the dough so that it gets stuck with the dough when we roll. This helps ensure that the mixture doesn't come out when you roll out your parathas. Patting slightly. Again, dusting some flour. Patting it slowly. Now we roll with our rolling pin. So it's a paratha, so it will be of a larger size than that of a puri. So our parathas are ready. Now onto the gas. We put the pan on high heat. Now we add the paratha. And we let it cook for around 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Gently pressing by the sides. Now we flip it. You can see the mixture across. Now we add some oil to the pan. And we add a paratha. You can fry it in ghee, butter, whatever you feel comfortable. So the paratha is getting really crispy and nice. Flipping it across. And it's ready. Now onto the puri. The oil should be medium hot when you add your puri. This will ensure your puri to puff really nicely. See, it's already starting to puff up. These are the sides we live for. A perfectly puffed puri. We turn around and we cook through. Our puri is starting to get a little crispy and golden. It's looking lovely. We are turning again. And our puri is done. Now we dish it out. So here you have your dal puri or dal paratha. Make it for your family and friends and let me know how you like it. You can serve it with chole, chutney, whatever you feel like. I'm adding a dash of yogurt here. So enjoy. Thank you so much for watching the video and please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.